The Sixth Amendment guarantees a criminal defendant the right to trial by jury. Ring v. Arizona examines whether the judge, rather than the jury, can issue a death sentence. A driver parked an armored truck at a mall in Glendale, Arizona, and the courier went inside to collect money. When the courier returned, the driver and truck were gone. Police later found the truck. The driver was dead from a gunshot wound, and $500,000 in cash was gone. Police suspected Timothy Ring and James Greenham were responsible. Ring was tried for premeditated murder and felony murder, as the killing occurred during a robbery. The jury deadlocked on premeditated murder, but convicted Ring of felony murder. Under Arizona law, the jury determined guilt, but the judge determined sentencing in capital cases. A death sentence required the judge to determine there was an aggravating circumstance, as defined by state law. Without that additional finding, the maximum sentence was life imprisonment. At the sentencing hearing, Ring's accomplice, Greenham, testified that Ring shot the victim. The judge concluded that because the murder was committed for financial gain, a statutorily enumerated aggravating circumstance, Ring should be sentenced to death. The Arizona Supreme Court affirmed the death sentence. The Supreme Court granted cert to consider the Sixth Amendment implications of Arizona's capital sentencing system, which required factual findings made by a judge.